Hello, boys and girls, how are you all? So, last time we have read the chapter number 5, The Park. Yes, so in that, the children of the park girl Alia and her mother gives a message that how to keep our surrounding clean. So today we are going to start few textual exercise of the same chapter, and we are going to discuss about notebook notes. So in that we are going to discuss about meanings, hard words, question answers and one activity. So let us begin. So now today we are going to discuss about one exercise of student book, and then we will discuss about notebook notes. So let us begin. Now in student book on page number 51, first exercise is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options. So now as we have read the chapter, from that chapter they have asked a question and given three options. So what we will do? We will find out the correct answer and then we will write in the blank. So first is Alia goes to the park dash, and options are today, every day, at night. So Alia is going to the park every day. Yes or no? Yes. So what we will do? We will put circle on B and then we will write every day into the blank. Then second is Alia was dash because her friend was ill. Ill means not well. So if her friend is ill, she feels happy, sad or sleepy. She feels sad. Yes. So Alia was sad because her friend was ill. So we will write sad into the blank. Then third is the park was dash. So park was dirty, clean or wet? Park was very dirty. Yes, because they have seen so many rubbish and garbage into the park. So option A is right. So we will write dirty into the blank. Then there was lot of dash in the park. So flower, tree or rubbish? Yes, there was lot of rubbish in the park. Then fifth one is Alia made dash for the park. What did she made? She made poster. So if you see the option box, bag, poster. So Alia made poster for the park. So we will write poster in the blank. Now children, we will discuss some hard words that will be useful to you while you are writing the answer. So these all are the hard words. So first one is friends. So friends means buddy. Then poster, P-O-S-T-E-R, poster means a large painted picture. Yes, Alia made the large painted picture. Yes. Then rubbish. So what is the meaning of rubbish? Things that you throw away. At our home also we are throwing something every day into our dustbin. So that is called a rubbish. Then carrying means to carry something, to hold something. Then boxes. Boxes means a container that is in a rectangular or square shape made up of cardboard, metal or wooden. Okay. Then ice cream. I don't need to explain this. You know what is ice cream. Then wrappers. Wrappers is paper or plastic that is cover something like chips, chocolates that is coming into some cover. Yes, so that is called a wrapper. Then packets. This is also a paper or plastic container in which things are sold. Then dirty means not clean or unclean. Then painted. Painted means to color something. We are doing also painting. We are coloring in our drawing books. So that is called a painted. Then talked means to speak or to tell something. Then laughed. Ha ha ha. This voice is called a laugh. Then slide. Slide means a thing which with a smooth sloping surface. For the children in the park, you all must have play on the slide. Yes. Then 14th is roundabout. Roundabout is a revolving thing in the park for the children to play. Gol gol ghumti hai. That is called a roundabout. Then 15th is dustbin. Dustbin means a large container for rubbish that you keep outside. Yes, at our home we all are also using dustbin. Yes. Then seesaw. Seesaw is a one kind of swing which goes up and down. Okay. Then sand pit. Sand pit means a space in the ground filled with sand for a children to play. Then bench. Bench means a long seat which is made up of wooden or stone. Okay. Then flower. You all know flowers like hibiscus, rose, lotus. Okay. Then gardener. Last one is gardener. So gardener is a person who is taking care of plants and trees. Now we will see few meanings. So things that you throw away is called rubbish. Things that you throw away is called rubbish. Second is paper or plastic that covers something is called wrappers. Paper or plastic that covers something is called wrappers. Then large container for rubbish that you keep outside the house is called dustbin. Then let us see few question answers. Now read the first question. What did Alia and mother do to clean the park? So Alia and mother put all the rubbish in the bags they were carrying. They have taken few bags and they went to the park, and wherever they can see the rubbish, they pick it up and put it into the carry bag. Yes. Then second question is, who helped Alia and her mother to clean the park? Who helped them? Yes, the other children at the park helped Alia and her mother to clean the park. Other children were there? Yes. So they all helped Mama and Alia to clean the park. So what you will do? The other children at the park. This much only you have to keep it in your mind, and rest helped Alia and her mother to clean the park. That is already there in the question. Helped Alia and her mother to clean the park. Okay, so that you have to copy down. Then third is, do you think the children were happy to clean the park? Yes or no? Yes, they all are very happy after cleaning the park. So, what we will do? Yes, then from the question, the children were happy to clean the park. The children were happy to clean the park. Easy, children? Yes. Now, fourth one is, which is very important. Now, how can you help to clean your park? Now children, last time also I have asked you the same question, that what could you do to clean your park? First is, I will throw rubbish into the dustbin. So children, This is very important. Whenever you are going to the park, you should always throw your rubbish, wrappers, everything into the bin. Not only in the park, wherever you go, please throw the garbage, rubbish, everything into the dustbin. Then second is, I will not pluck flowers. This is also very important, children. You should not pluck flower unnecessarily, as if think that if any insect is biting you, you are feeling hurt, you are started scratching on that skin. Yes, because you feel hurt. The same way, if you pluck the flower, the tree also get hurt. So we should not pluck flower. Okay. Then third is, I will help to clean the park. You should also help other children and make your team, and you can clean your park like Alia and her mama do. Yes. And the fourth one is, I will plant more trees. So you should plant more trees into your park, at your home, wherever you find space. Take a small plant or small saplings and you can plant it over there. Yes. Now children, there is one activity that you have to do into your notebook, that is draw and color the picture of dustbin. So what you have to do? You have to draw and color the picture of dustbin. See, I have made. Yes. So it is not necessary that you have to draw like this, but you can draw it in any shape and you have to color of your choice. Okay. So children, I hope you understand this notebook notes and textual exercise. You will be getting PDF file of this and finish your work on time. Okay. Till then, goodbye.